Today you chose math, and we are going to be measuring some things in math and numbers and counting, right? So I want you to find a ruler. I have a yardstick. You should have a yardstick too, because I sent one home to you to make your Christmas tree. So if you have your yardstick, you can use your yardstick to measure. When we measure something, we always start measuring in the same place. So I'm going to turn my measuring stick upside down so I can read the number. I'm going to measure this board, and I'm going to put it at the very bottom, where the number one's going to be at the very bottom, and I'm going to put it against my board so I can measure. And up here is where it says how big it is or how tall it is, and this says a 2 and a 2, so that means it's 22 inches tall. 22 inches tall. Besides using your yardstick or your ruler, I want you to use something else. Something else, anything else you have to measure with. So I'm going to look, let me see what I have. I have a crayon. I think I'm going to use a crayon to do this. See how many crayons tall it is. So I have a crayon, and I'm going to measure and see how many crayons tall it is. I know it's 22 inches because that's what my yardstick said, but I have a crayon now. I'm going to see how many crayons tall it is. So I got to be careful with this. I got to start from the bottom, and then I got to remember to put it in the same place. So I'm going to lay this down so I can hold it in place, and I'm going to count 1 crayon, 2 crayons, 3 crayons, 4 crayons, 5 crayons. It is almost 6 crayons tall. This board is 22 inches and almost 6 crayons tall. So I want you to do that. I want you to find 2 ways to measure the same thing, and then write that down, and I want you to send it to me. You can even do a video if you want to of you measuring your item, and do a few things if you want. You can measure a few things. All right, have fun measuring. Bye.